Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I'm preparing my egg roll. So I'll be using this cup. I will be using for, let me just say, the whole of the flour is 4 inside actually. Okay, so this is my salt, a pinch of salt, my nutmeg, my baking powder. So and then I will be putting my sugar. This egg roll that I'm making is order, somebody ordered this egg roll actually. Okay, so this is my milk powder, and then I'll also be putting the liquid milk. I mix it with my egg, so I make sure that I stir it really well. Then I'll put it inside my flour and the rest ingredients. Then guys, now I am doing more of cooking video. Maybe I'm just knowing my calling now. Maybe I was called to do a lot of food content. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is me putting my melted butter. Okay, because now I know how to do a lot of like catering. I actually went to a catering school here in Italy. Yeah. Oh, I even paid money. Okay, so a lot of people will be wondering, how which day did you start doing cooking, like cooking and baking stuff? Like, I went to catering school actually here in Italy. Okay, and I actually paid a lot of money, like 600 euro for this. Okay, so but now I'm not even putting all those things into practice, but these things is just snacks that you normally take to work and all that, and Obi loves all this kind of thing. But this one is an order. Okay, but definitely I'm going to leave a little bit at home. Okay, so this is me covering this thing. Like, I left this thing for about like 45 minutes because I was doing other things and all that. So it's time for me to do my egg roll. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, I'll be leaving the recipe down below in the description. Okay, so I'm just make sure I'm sectioning it because the egg roll is 16. Okay, this is a lot, right? Is a lot. Like, if you want to do much, like 20, 30 and all that, make sure you are watching this video. Okay, because definitely this video is going to be helpful. Okay, so do you know that this is the full flour, like the 1 kg flour? Okay, this is 1 kg flour that I use, and I got 4 cups inside. Okay, so this is me just wrapping this thing and all that. So guys, please like and share this video. Okay, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So this is me wrapping this thing really well, because this order is not, I want to give it out to someone, you understand? So I need to do it really well. And guys, this thing actually came out really nice. If you are doing this thing, because somebody told me that I was doing my egg roll and it was burning and all that, I told the person that you didn't put a lot of oil. You need to put a lot of oil so that when you put the egg roll inside, it will not be burning and all that, you understand? So the moment you are putting it, the moment you are turning this thing, you don't need to leave it, like you don't need to leave and go far away from this thing, because this thing will be burning. Okay, so I'm just doing it and all that. So guys, this thing is ready. Like, I love how this thing came out, like the egg roll. I love how it really came out so beautiful. Like, Obi tested this thing and he told me that that this particular one that I did, that is really sweet, and my husband loves sugary things. Guys, what did you guys think? This is the outcome. Okay, see how beautiful my egg roll looks. Oh my god, please like and share this video, follow this page for more video like this. Bye. Like and share. Bye.